In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python in the event that your computer does not have Python. If you open up PyCharm, you try to start a new project and it says no interpreter found, then you'll need to go through this step. So on Google, I'm going to search download Python. I'm going to go up here, python.org downloads. And I'm gonna come down to Python 3.10. As of this video, the latest version is 3.10.9. There may be a later version, but I'm gonna stick with 3.10 because I know PyCharm will definitely work with 3.10. I'm going to click on the download link. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to look for the one that says recommended and click to download that. It's going to ask me to save it. I've already previously downloaded it, but you'll want to save it someplace where you can find it, like your downloads folder. Once that download is finished, I'm going to open up the installer. I'm going to look down here. If use admin privileges when installing py.exe is checked, I want to make sure that's unchecked. And then I'm going to go ahead and click add Python to path. That'll make it easier to run Python code on the computer. And now I'm going to click this install now. And then once that finishes installing, I'm just going to go ahead and click close. Now that that's done, I can open up PyCharm. I have a project loaded up here already, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to new project. And then if Python was installed properly, you should see a path here linking to the python.exe. It should be a local path, probably including your username. If you see a web address, HTTP, that means that it can't find Python and it's going to try to download it, which won't work. So you'll have to go back and do the previous step. But I'm not going to make any changes to this. I'm just going to say create this window and let that fire up. And then let's test this out. So I'm going to go up to View, Tool Window, Appearance, and then Toolbar. And that's going to give me a nice little toolbar up here with a little play button. And that's going to let me test my code just really quickly here. And then down below, we should see the response, hi PyCharm. So just a brief overview of what's going on in this code. This is our main. We're calling a function called print hi, which is passing a parameter PyCharm. And then that's calling print, which is formatting a string and plugging in our parameter PyCharm. And then that's what gets displayed on the screen. All right, that concludes this video. Thanks for watching and happy coding.